Welcome back to the channel, fabricators. Today we're going to be doing a review on the Weld Metals Online Aluminum and Steel Combo Kit, and we're going to be using some of the contents to weld up our new House of Chop rod guard holder. Let's get started. Okay, so first off I want to say I am not sponsored by either of these companies. I paid full price for both these items. This one I needed it, and this one, I mean, who could resist a sweet rod guard holder like that? So first and foremost, let's go over our Weld Metals Online Aluminum Steel Combo Kit and what you get with it and why I ended up getting it. So first off, this thing was very well packaged. You get 6 pounds of stuff here. This came shipped to my door for, I think including shipping was right around $46, I want to say. So you get 6 pounds of materials, 5 different filler wires, 40 individual coupons, and a singular piece of laser tungsten. So why I got this kit was I'm always looking for clean chunks of metal or remnants that I can throw in my drawer so that before I get a project, I can run test beads and stuff like that and just get back in the groove before you weld on the actual project itself. Number two reason I got it is I haven't got a chance to use this laser tungsten, so I'm excited to give this a whirl. I've heard lots of good things about it. And the final reason that I justified this kit to myself is it gives you a good little variety of rod. I actually have a small job coming up that I need some 030 ER70 wire, and I didn't want to necessarily go out and buy a full pound box of it because I don't know when I might need it next. So for that reason alone, this kit is really appealing to me because it gives you a good little option for rods that you can throw in the drawer, and if you have a little job come in that you need a couple chunks of that rod right away. Now, I don't necessarily recommend using a kit like this for your sole supply of wire. This is great to start out with and great to have one in the cabinet, but it's definitely a more expensive way to buy your wire. And then also in my case, when I'm making really long welds, these are 18-inch pieces and I prefer the big long 32-inch pieces. So definitely recommend getting this kit to start off with, using the different wires, figuring out which one you're going to use the most, and then go out and purchase a pound of it or however much you're going to need. But I also would recommend having one of these just in the drawer because it gives you some variety on hand. You don't have to wait for shipping and stuff like that. So let's break this thing open and do some welding. So that was a fun little project. I've never actually made cubes before. So you can use these coupons in multiple different fashions and ways to practice. Obviously, if you have something to cut them in half with, you can make some cubes like I did here, or you can weld them into T-joints. Justin from the Fabrication series has a great video on how to utilize these coupons in the best way possible to get the most out of them. So I'll leave a link in the description to that video. Definitely go check that out. And the other thing that I'm going to recommend when you go to practice with these guys is set up a couple of them to do at once. So you can do a weld and set it off to the side, grab the next one so that you don't overheat the part that you're working on. I got excited, started welding this thing up, and got to the point where I started cooking the part a little bit. So maybe start a couple of coupons, maybe have like 3 sets that you can rotate in between if you're just sitting down and running beads. I know better even, got excited, started welding, and started to overheat that part, especially on aluminum, and noticing it. And if you don't realize what's happening, it can be rather aggravating. Overall, this is a great kit. Highly recommend having one of these kits in your drawer so that you can either practice or just have a little bit of variety in your rod stock. It's a nice economical way to have multiple sizes and types of rod. They have multiple other kits. This is not the only kit they offer. They have stainless, titanium, and a couple different tube kits to choose from to get practice in. So I did sign up with their affiliate program. If you use the code AMCF10 at checkout, you'll get 10% off, and I believe that is anything in the store. So one thing to take note is Justin does carry the Prime Weld TIG 225 in his stores. You can get 10% off on that TIG 225 or any of the other components that they carry in this store. So make sure to use that coupon at checkout. Now let's take a look at this sweet rod holder that we got from House of Chop. So what we have here is a beautiful rod guard holder from House of Chop, and he made this little weld together kit, a short run of them. I don't know if they're available anymore, but make sure to go check his page out. He makes lots of cool little stuff, has some great energy, and definitely encouraging for the DIYers and builders. So I'm excited to get this thing welded together and hung on my wall. And there we have it. Now I just got to figure out where I'm going to mount it. We'll see. If you guys want to see more fabrication content, make sure to check out some of the videos that are going to pop up here. If you enjoyed the content, make sure to subscribe, like, and go build something, guys.